The Earth, bathed in the warm glow of a seemingly ordinary day, had no warning. A silent, invisible sentinel of destruction, a meteor of unimaginable size, hurtled towards the planet at an alarming speed. Scientists, oblivious to the impending doom, continued their routine observations, their telescopes missing the subtle flicker of danger lurking in the vast cosmic expanse. Within hours, the meteor, a celestial harbinger of chaos, pierced the Earth's atmosphere. The sky, once a familiar blue canvas, erupted in a blinding flash. The ground shook violently as if awakened from a long slumber. Buildings crumbled, their foundations no match for the seismic upheaval. Tsunamis, towering walls of water, roared across coastlines, swallowing everything in their path. The air crackled with energy, a symphony of destruction orchestrated by the forces of the universe. The impact sent shockwaves rippling across the planet, leaving a trail of devastation in their wake. In that singular, terrifying moment, life on Earth as we knew it changed forever. The immediate aftermath of the impact was a scene of unimaginable destruction. The air, thick with dust and debris, choked out the sunlight, plunging the planet into an eerie twilight. Fires raged across continents, fueled by the inferno unleashed by the meteor's impact. The once familiar landscapes were scarred beyond recognition, transformed into alien terrains of molten rock and ash. The oceans, once teeming with life, were now churning cauldrons of boiling water, their delicate ecosystems thrown into disarray. The planet's delicate climate, disrupted by the massive injection of energy and debris into the atmosphere, began to spiral out of control. Temperatures soared in some regions, while others were plunged into a perpetual freeze. The delicate balance of nature, carefully maintained over millennia, was shattered. The Earth, once a vibrant blue and green oasis in the vastness of space, was now a wounded, scarred world struggling to survive. The animal kingdom, caught in the cataclysm, faced its own struggle for survival. Millions, if not billions, of animals perished in the initial impact and its immediate aftermath. Those that survived faced a world transformed, stripped of the resources they needed to survive. Forests, once teeming with life, were reduced to smoldering ruins. The oceans, their once clear waters now choked with debris, offered little refuge. The intricate web of life, woven over millions of years, began to unravel. Predator-prey relationships were disrupted, and competition for dwindling resources intensified. Migratory patterns, disrupted by the altered climate and landscape, left animals stranded in unfamiliar and hostile territories. The silent scream of nature, a symphony of suffering and loss, echoed across the ravaged planet. Human civilization, once a beacon of progress and innovation, was brought to its knees. Cities, once bustling hubs of human activity, lay in ruins, monuments to a bygone era. Transportation networks crumbled, communication systems collapsed, and power grids went dark. The intricate fabric of global society, woven together by threads of technology and interdependence, unraveled, leaving behind isolated pockets of survivors struggling to comprehend the magnitude of the disaster. Those who survived the initial impact faced a new set of challenges, a world starved of resources, where the comforts of modern life were a distant memory. Food and water became scarce commodities, fought over with a ferocity born of desperation. Diseases, once kept at bay by modern medicine, spread rapidly through the weakened population. The rule of law, once a cornerstone of society, crumbled in the face of survival. Yet even in the face of such unimaginable adversity, the human spirit, much like life itself, proved to be remarkably resilient. From the ashes of destruction, a new kind of society began to emerge, one forged in the fires of survival. People came together in small, isolated communities, pooling their resources and knowledge to rebuild. The skills and knowledge that had once been taken for granted, farming, hunting, medicine, became invaluable assets. Innovation, driven by necessity, flourished. New tools and technologies were developed, adapted to the harsh realities of the post-impact world. The old divisions of nation and creed faded into irrelevance, replaced by a shared sense of purpose, the survival of the species. The human spirit, tempered by adversity, refused to be extinguished. The story of the meteor impact serves as a stark reminder of the fragility of life on Earth and the ever-present dangers lurking in the vast expanse of space. It underscores our responsibility to understand these threats and to develop strategies to mitigate them. We must invest in scientific research, develop early warning systems, and explore technologies that could potentially deflect or destroy dangerous asteroids before they threaten our planet. But perhaps most importantly, this scenario should serve as a catalyst for introspection. It compels us to reevaluate our priorities, to cherish the preciousness of life, and to recognize our shared responsibility for safeguarding our planet. For we are all, in a very real sense, crewmates on this spaceship Earth, hurtling through the cosmos together. Let us not wait for a cosmic wake-up call to remind us of our shared destiny and our collective responsibility to protect our pale blue dot, the only home we've ever known.